Mr. A spent hours, days, even weeks to creating a detailed, masterful artwork. When he finally finished, he showed it to Mr. B. Mr. B looked at it and said, "This is beautiful. Is it AI generated?" And that leads to the real question. Is AI killing creativity? The rise of generative AI has shaken the creative world, sparking a profound question. If a machine can paint, compose, or write in seconds, what happens to the human artist? The answer lies in understanding that AI changes how we create, not why.
Creativity isn't just about making something new. It is originality shaped by emotion, intention, and personal experience. AI can recognize patterns and remix data very well, but it has no awareness, no memory of loss or joy, and no real intent. It can write a poem about grief without ever feeling it. That gap between copying and real experience is why human creativity still has an advantage. Technology has never truly ended creativity. It changes its direction. Photography didn't end painting. It led to impressionism. Synthesizers didn't end music. They created new styles. AI follows the same pattern, just faster, which is why the concern feels stronger now.
AI is a powerful creative partner, helping with outlines, idea generation, variations, and overcoming creative blocks, while also making creative tools more accessible to people without specialized training. However, it falls short when overused, as it can replace routine, high-volume work like stock content and produce repetitive, generic results by relying on existing patterns rather than original human experience. Additionally, concerns around copyright and fair compensation for human creators remain significant challenges. Deciding what is meaningful, original, and worth creating is still a human role. AI can produce many options, but only a person can choose what truly matters. Taking risks, using imagination, and breaking rules require intention, something AI does not have on its own.
AI will not replace creativity, but it will keep changing how people create, handling routine tasks so humans can focus more on meaning, direction, and emotional connection. The people who succeed will not be those who reject AI or depend on it fully, but those who use it as a true creative partner, creating with AI, then shaping and giving purpose with human insight. The future isn't humans versus AI. It is collaboration, with humans still deciding what is worth creating.